Hello everybody, welcome to the Product Focus Friday that I didn't get done. I am still working. It's the end of May, technically still, and we are working with Felicity Jane this month and embellishments, and the last one is Puffy stickers. So I've grabbed just some random Puffies from my stash. I've got these hearts. I've got some words over here. Let's see, what else do I got? There's all sorts of things that I can use. So we're going to, I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. That's where I need to start, is figure out what I'm going to do. And then, because yeah, I got these words that are kind of all the same colors too. I also have these ones. Not a lot of blue. This is a very fall-esque collection or kit that I'm playing with. I'll find more things, I'm sure. But I have this big, large photo of my son and my husband and I when he was pretty little, when I not started going back to work, but just a random morning. It was just a really good morning, I think I remember, and so we took a picture. I had these in frames for the longest time. It was this one and this photo. I think I've scrapbooked this photo already. I gotta double check on that. But I rearranged wall decor and changed out the frame. So I just wanted to get this scrapbook. So it is in like a 5x7, I think. So let me rifle through papers and figure out what I want to do, and we'll get started. All right, so turns out I already scrapbooked that picture of us three. So I ditched that, and then I had to go organize to see if I had done the other bigger one. I hadn't, but I have an idea for that one, so I'm not doing that one today. So I went and grabbed a couple photos of my nieces. I've trimmed them down. Very inspired actually by this layout by Cassie from Paper Issues. I love it. I thought it'd be a really good way to use like almost all of these puffy hearts and then use some of these words as well. So we're going to create rainbow of puffy hearts here with some words sprinkled in there, and then I'm going to use Nuvo drops as well to create some more color, maybe have it bleed over onto this black and white stripe. So all I've done is taken the wood grain Felicity Jane paper and then taken this black and white stripe, cut it on an angle, and then taken one of the border strips and scalloped it and put it there. So mine's more black and white. I didn't have a rainbow stripe paper to use, so it's going to be a little different, but we'll use all these different colors of hearts and sprinkle them down here with the girls' pictures right here. I'm not sure how I want to do that yet. And then, yeah, we'll put some words in there as well, and we'll go from there. So that is the plan. So I'm going to keep getting these trimmed down to the size I want. I'm going to see if I can sneak by and make this one just a little bit thinner, and then I'll start figuring out the order of these that I want to go on here and picking out my Nuvo drops. And yeah, I think I'm going to mat these on the pink as well, maybe I'll just mat them in white. No, I think I want to mat them on the pink. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I will be back. All right, so I put down a bunch of the words and all the hearts, and then I went and dug in just because, you know, I'm using Felicity Jane papers, but this stuff I'm using isn't very rainbow. So I went and dug in my How to Kill a Kit with Style and grabbed out a bunch of things. So I grabbed this LA Studio label. I kind of want to put this awesome up here in like the orangish area, but put a red label there too, maybe. Let's see. We want, so that's purple. Let's see. We can do, actually, Here Comes the Sun in orange instead of this awesome. I want this green label tucked under. Got the green. We'll put this Here Comes the Sun right over here. So I need something yellow right there. doesn't have to be very big. I feel like this little square label's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's see if I can pry this up. Oh yeah. Pink, so I need something purple and red. I'm gonna cut these apart. These are like a washi. This one says love this. This one says smile. And this one says so good. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, something to go right there, and then something purple over here. Yeah, can you just tuck this up under like that? That would work. Label that over that. So I got both pinks going on. Okay. Now I just need something yellow. Hugs and kisses. Okay, so I ended up finding just this Happy Little Moments sticker. It's the perfect bright yellow. Works good. I'm starting to put my Nuvo drops within there. I started with this dark pink. This is this Rhubarb Crumble? Yes, I really like this one. It kind of borders on red sometimes. I'm going to put a little bit of that down on this one as well because we started going pink on the bottom too. But, so Rhubarb Crumble. I did this like yellowy peachy color. I don't know if it really didn't, but it's buttermilk. So that one could have been left out, I think. And then I used, this is Dandelion. This is like one of my favorite yellows. That's this yellow. And then this orange is Ripened Pumpkin. Perfect. I'm going to add some of these crystal rose water ones down here in the pink area as well. And then we're going to use Sugar Plum. And then I've got Night Sky. And obviously I'm going to let this dry really well before I even think about journaling, because I will smudge it. I don't know what, I have another green too. And then this one is Blue Babe, so I just want a little bit of the light yellow. And then I gotta find, I think I have a turquoise-ish color. Or light blue, light yellow. This is really bright. Oh, here, this one. This is what I want. This one is Neptune Turquoise, so it's kind of like, yep, perfect. More of a teal. So let's do, we got this limey green. It's very clear. That should actually work quite well. This is bottle, this is bottle green. Key lime. There, okay. I'm liking. I have, let's see. I will trim that off as soon as this dries, and I'll get some journaled, and I'm going to think I'm going to also stamp some sentiments from this stamp set, the everyday stamp set from Ellie Studio, in a couple of these, because then everything's kind of like right here, because then everything has words on it. Yeah, we'll let that dry. I'll just journal a tiny bit about a date, and that's all we got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I will have what we're doing for June in my kind of wrap-up video that should be coming out June 1st. So stay tuned for that. Thanks, guys.